Hey everybody, this is Casey Ferris. I want to give you a tour of our brand new Editor Soundkit. Basically, we built a sound effects library from the ground up that features sounds that video editors need on a regular basis. It's pretty thorough. We have ambience. Let's say you're in the city. There's some nice ambience for the city. Or maybe you're inside in the food court. Things like doors and windows, all kinds of different doors. And also something that I haven't seen a lot is editorial sounds. So these are things like the impacts, whooshes, swishes, that kind of stuff that's great for motion graphics and just kind of like the stuff that you build in the edit. There's over 2,500 sounds in the pack and they're all named and organized so that you can actually find what you need. Let's say you have a zombie attack scene. Well, we have rips and tears. You can just imagine the, Let's say there's a fight scene. We have punches, jump. We have grunts, whether they're female or male. And you can pretty much just build all of the audio to your fight scene just using this little part of this kit. And what about just the everyday Foley, like the stuff like clothing movements? This is the kind of stuff that you'd have to go and record yourself, right? But we have, heavy coat movement. All this kind of stuff that you can add just as layers to your project. And each one of these just saves you a ton of time. You ever have to lay in footsteps? Well, we have a ton of different footsteps, all in different environments. So let's say grass, just about any surface that you could walk on. Here's carpet. We pretty much just recorded and organized the most useful sounds so that you don't have to go out and record them. Here's one of my favorite categories, the editorial, and specifically the motion graphics. This has all the little special things that you can add to motion graphics just to make them really sell the effect, right? So let's say you're having like some words squish around like Jello, right? We have squishy. When stuff slides around, we have friction. We have paper sounds. All those little subtle things that just really help. Buttons getting pushed, poppers, really great for things popping up on screen. Basically anything that you see moving can actually have a sound to pump up the impact. And for all you Resolve users, you can add this entire pack to your sound library. You just have to go up to the sound library here and select Add Library and select your folder. And once that's loaded in, you can search for any sound that you need and it'll instantly come up here in this panel. And you can select the perfect sound and drag them into your project. Just super useful. All of these sounds are broadcast quality WAV files. They're not compressed MP3s, they're totally royalty free. That means that you can use them on any project you like without worrying about clearance or extra fees or anything like that. This is just a fantastic pack of sounds that I know you're gonna use for years on like everything. It's the Editor Soundkit. It's available now at groundcontrol.film.